An international article number is a standardized number uniquely identifying a material. You can often see it as a barcode attached to a product, just like the one on the screen. Equivalent of this number in USA is called UPC. Let's add an EAN code to the materials that we have already created. Go to transaction MM02 to change the material data. EAN always refers to a specific unit of measure or type of pack. On the basic datasheet, you can see a field indicating base unit of measure. In this case it is pieces. Few rows below you can specify the EAN number for this unit. Let's put a dummy value here. Now let's go to additional data. Here in tabs Units of Measure and Additional EANs, we can define the codes for other units of measurement assigned to this material. Let's fill out some of them with dummy values. As you can see, I have added additional EAN to unit of measurement carton. But I can also add multiple EAN codes to the same unit of measure. I will now add a second dummy EAN to unit pieces. I can also choose which EAN is the main one. It will be shown on the main screen of Basic Data 1.